Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jessica and today will be about pantry because today we'll be doing DIY pantry makeover and organization. But before we start the video, please don't forget to click the like and subscribe button. It will help me create content like this that I will be happy to share with you. I am so excited to bring you along with me, so let's do this.
So this is the look of the before pantry. As you can see, everything is scattered around. We just moved in, so I didn't really have time to organize it, and I am so glad that finally I have time to finally organize this. And although this is a mess, I still know where everything is, but I still need to organize it. The first thing I need to do is to empty the shelves. Bring out all the stuff to the kitchen and check the expiration date and start separating those. While emptying it, I can also see which one needs to be in the container and which ones needs to be together. So that when I transfer it in the kitchen, it will be easier for me when I need to finally transfer it to the containers.
My bad. When I wake up, you're not next to me. Guess I'm missing all your energy. That's all I want. Promise I am not your enemy. I just need another memory. That's all I want. 'Cause all I want is you. Is you. It takes two. 'Cause all I want is you. Is you. It takes two. All I want is tell me.
You can see that the mess is now in the kitchen, but don't worry because time will pass and the next thing I know, it will be done.
Answer me right now. Just dance with me right now. Just dance with me right now.
To do a DIY shelves, we need a notepad, pen, tape, cutter, scissor, measuring tape, wood-like contact paper, ruler, and of course, the base is the foam board. You can also use cardboard if you like. First, grab the measuring tape and measure the shelves, the width, and the length. Basically, the bottom shelves will be the same size with the top shelves, so I will only need to measure the bottom. Then make sure to write it in your notepad so you will have the guide. Now that you have the measurement, grab the foam board and mark it with the measurement you have. Use the cutter to cut the marked lines. You can also use the ruler to make sure the board will be cut straight, but I just eyeball it and didn't use the ruler for the first foam boards, but the rest of them I used the ruler. Once you have the cut board, you may now wrap the board with the contact paper. Cut the excess contact paper and set aside because you will be using it for the shelves edge. To wrap it with the contact paper, I did peel a little bit of the contact paper to have a head start. I used just my hands on the first DIY shelves and foot, so you may use ruler to avoid bubbles. You will also need an edge for the board, so grab the left board from the first one and cut it depending on your desired thickness. Then wrap it also with a contact paper. Once you have both the foam boards wrapped, put it together by taping the back. Continue the same process until you complete all the shelves. Now this is the fun part, finally putting the DIY shelves in the pantry. You can see it's finally getting together, and with a small budget, you can create a dream pantry without having to rip off the shelves. This Lazy Susan will give you a ton of space, and it's best for condiments, drinks, or anything assorted as it utilizes corners efficiently. These clear tall ones are best for cereals, and the clear wide containers are for my rice or anything in my pantry I can think of that can fit. Clear baskets. These are perfect to display big bag of chips or line up your favorite bars, as it makes it look straight without looking like a mess in the pantry. Plus, it's easy to spot in the pantry when you're looking for snacks. Clear small containers. I use them for salt, sugar, some seasonings and spices, since they usually comes with big packaging and it will fill up this container just enough. I also put my 3-in-1 instant coffee, and I really think it's perfect for this container. I love this wire baskets because this will fill up paper towels, my hand towels, and kitchen towels, and even my table mat. I also used it to fill it with all the extra stocks we have.